This recipe is from a cookbook called The Science of Cooking, written by the Prince of Transylvania's anonymous court master chef at the end of the 16th century, about 1 century after the rule of Vlad Tepes, also known as Vlad Draculea or Vlad the Impaler. The exact preparation of the beef is not preserved as part of the text is missing. The focus of this recipe is on the garlic sauce. Regarding the meat, I opted for a rare pot roast. Pot roasts and stewed meats were generally more common than open fire roasts, as they require less fuel, wood or coals. I like my roast beef rare, but feel free to cook it longer.